I can't believe I have to say this. It's so obvious, but people need to hear this. If you buy something, use it. Like the Irish moss, they buy it because they get excited at the potential of what it could do for their hair and their skin and collagen and all that. And then they get it and it's like, ooh, this is scary looking. And they just put it in the shelf and they forget it. They think that maybe it's going to be less scary like a week from now or a month from now. And then they forget about it. It's like those people that buy the treadmills, you know, the working out stuff at the beginning of the year, and then they just ends up in the garage. If you buy something that's good for you, use it. Don't, like, a year later when I release the next video and oh yeah, I remember that. And then you know, and then you send me, I get these emails from people, oh, it's like a year old. Can I still use it? If not, can you send me another one? It's not my responsibility if you don't use it. Buy it and use it. It's that simple. Try it. You don't know until you try it. Anyway, sometimes you just got to state the obvious for people. See you in the next video. Bye.